Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu in the kitchen. Today now I'm making one of the breakfast recipe with the help of the besan, or you can call as an gram flour. With the help of this, I'm making dhokla. The dhokla is very famous in Gujarat across the country. Let's check the recipe how I'm making. Besan 1 cup, suji 3 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, sugar 2 tablespoons, green chilies chop 1 whole chili, salt as required, lemon water, lemon juice 1, baking soda and baking powder pinch, oil. This is the recipe for dhokla. First take the bowl, add besan, suji, turmeric powder, sugar, salt as required, just 1 pinch is enough, lemon juice 1 whole, and add little bit of oil, two tablespoons, green chilies chop, add the water, check the consistency. It's not loose or not very tight, medium is enough, like a cake batter. Whisk it nicely without any lumps. Don't add the baking powder, baking soda now. Rest it for 15 minutes minimum. After that, add the baking powder and baking soda. Add little bit of water. It's same like cake batter, not a dosa batter. When you are making, keep it in mind. You can see this much thickness is enough. If you have doubt, you can mixture like mirchi bhaji, and rest the batter for minimum 10 minutes for nice fermentation to make a nice dhokla. Then add the 15 minutes is over. Next add the baking soda and baking powder. Whisk it nicely with the speed. It will get the air bubbles on the top. Pour water and keep a double boiling method. Grease the tray with oil. Next pour the batter without any lumps. Check the seasonings and pour it. Water is heated now. Then put the besan batter and cover this. Keep it for 20 minutes. After, check it's done or not. After 20 minutes, take the toothpick and check this, it's cooked or not. You can see it's puffed up because of baking powder and baking soda. You can add in last only, don't add in first. Okay, it's done. Double boiling method, dhokla is done, and keep it in a side for 5 minutes to cool. In another side, take the pan and make the tempering. Pour oil. Heat it. Next, add the mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chilies, coriander leaves, next add little bit water, for dhokla syrup and tempering also. Add sugar and pinch of salt. Cook it for 2 minutes. You can see it's same like cake. Cut into bricks slowly. Pour the sugar syrup on top. It will comes the very juicy texture when you are eating. Dhokla is over and now I am tasting. You can see the how it's looks like same like cake and it's spongy too. I'm not getting a smell, raw smell of besan. Getting in sliced pieces also, and it's very juicy dhokla. I'm getting a sugar syrup, and last I'm adding the sugar syrup, that's why. Thanks for watching.